Practice writing the equation of the line, or also known as writing a linear equation. When we see the instructions, write the equation of the line or write a linear equation, the first three things we should write are y equals mx plus b, m equals b equals. So we're going to look at the first question that we have. We're given a point and we're given a slope. We're asked to find the equation of the line. So the first three things we're going to write are y equals mx plus b, m equals b equals. We're going to find the slope. We're given the slope, so there's no work to do. We're simply going to write in -2. Now we need to find our b. To find our b, we need a slope, which is -2, and we need an ordered pair, which is 2, 5. We're going to write the equation that has b in it, which is y equals mx plus b. This is our x1, this is our y1. So our y value is going to be 5. We're going to put the 2 in for our x, and we're going to put the -2 in for our m. So we're going to have 5 is equal to -2 times 2 plus b. 5 is equal to -4 plus b. Is b on the left? It is not. So we're going to use symmetrical property. B plus -4 is equal to 5. Is b alone? It is not. We're going to zero pair out the 4. So b is going to be 9. So we bring our 9 over here. We're going to write our equation again. Y is equal to mx plus b. We're going to put our 9 in for our b. And we're going to put our -2 in for our slope. Let's make that arrow a little bit further over so it looks like the m. So it's going to be y is equal to -2x plus 9. That is the equation of the line in slope-intercept form for the point 2, 5 and -2. Next equation, we have two ordered pairs. So we're doing equation of the line. So the first three things we're going to write is y equals mx plus b, m equals b equals. First thing we're going to find is our slope. We need two ordered pairs to find a slope. We're going to go ahead and label those x1, y1, x2, y2. Our slope formula is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. M equals our y2 is 5. This should be a -5. And we're going to have minus a -5. And then we're going to have 2 minus a -3. We're going to look at the 5 and we're going to keep it, but we're going to change this to an addition sign, change this to a positive. We're going to keep our 2, keep change, and now we're ready to simplify. M is equal to 10 over 5. M is equal to 2 over 1. So my slope is 2 over 1. Now I'm going to find my b. To find my b, I need my slope, which is 2 over 1, and I need an ordered pair. I'm going to go ahead and use the ordered pair that has no negatives. Either ordered pair will give us the same answer. I need the equation that has a b in it, which is y equals mx plus b. This is my x, this is my y. My 5 is going to go in for my y, my 2 is going to go in for my x, and my slope of 2 over 1 is going in for my slope. 5 is equal to 2 times 2 plus b. 5 is equal to 4 plus b. Is the b on the left? It is not, so we're going to use symmetrical. B plus 4 is equal to 5. Is the b alone? It is not, so we're going to zero pair out the 4. B is equal to 1. So I'm going to write my 1 over here for my b value. Now I'm going to write my equation. Y equals mx plus b. Now I have my b and I have my m, so y is equal to 2x plus 1. Now I'm going to take a look at an equation that is given to me in point-slope form, and I'm going to put it into slope-intercept form. So the first thing that I'm going to do is going to be to distribute. So I'm going to distribute the 3, so I'm going to get y plus 4 is equal to 3x minus 3. Going to 0 pair out the 4 because I need the y to be by itself to be slope-intercept equation, slope-intercept form. So I'm going to have 3x minus 7. So this is the equation of the line in slope-intercept form, and we started in point-slope form. Now we're going to find the equation of the line that is parallel to y equals 2x, and it goes through the ordered pair -1, 2. So if we're doing the equation of the line, the first 3 things I write is y equals mx plus b, m equals b equals. In order to find the slope that's parallel, I'm going to need to use my equation that's been given to me. Parallel slopes are equal, so I'm going to look at my slope right here, which is going to be 2, and I'm going to copy it over here for my slope for my equation that I'm finding. Then I need to find my b. In order to find my b, I have a slope of 2, and I need an ordered pair. I'm going to use -1, -6. That's the ordered pair that they've given me. This is my x, this is my y. The equation that I know that has a b in it is y equals mx plus b. I'm going to put -6 in for the y. I'm going to put -1 in for the x. I'm going to put 2 in for the m. This is going to be -6 is equal to 2 times -1 plus b. Then I'm going to do -6 is equal to -2 plus b. Is the b on the left? It's not, so I'm going to do symmetrical. B plus -2 is equal to -6. Is the b alone? It's not, so I'm going to 0 pair out the 2, and that's going to give me b is equal to -4. I'll put my -4 over here, and now I'm going to write my answer. So y is equal to mx plus b. The -4 is going to go in for the b, and the 2 is going to go in for the slope. So I have y is equal to 2x plus -4. We know we want to completely simplify, so we're going to do y is equal to 2x minus 4 for our equation of the line. Now we want to do a quick check here. So we're going to look at the first equation that we were given, and we're going to look at our equation that we found, and we're going to notice that our slopes match. So that means we have the correct answer. And for our final one that we're going to do, we're going to find an equation of the line that is perpendicular to y equals 2x plus 1. So we're going to do y is equal to mx plus b, m equals b equals. Those are the first 3 things that we write if we're finding the equation of the line. The first thing that we're going to look for is going to be our slope. Now we're going to need to use the equation that we've been given, y equals 2x plus 1, and we're going to do perpendicular. Now perpendicular slopes have negative reciprocals for their slopes. Now my funny little shortcut says do flippy flippy. So that means I'm going to first of all put this slope as a fraction, and I'm going to flip it over to make the reciprocal, which is going to be 1/2. This first slope is positive, so flippy flippy tells me to flip the sign also and make it negative. Again, I've created my negative reciprocal using my little shortcut of flippy flippy. Now I'm going to find my new b. So I'm going to use my slope that I found, which is -1/2, and I'm going to use the ordered pair that they've given me for 6. I'm going to use the formula y equals mx plus b. This is my x, this is my y. I'm going to put my 6 in for my y. I'm going to put my 4 in for my x. I'm going to put my -1/2 in for my slope. So I'm going to have 6 is equal to -1/2 times 4 plus b. I'm going to have 6 is equal to -2 plus b. Is the b on the left? It's not, so I'm going to use symmetrical property. Is the b alone? It's not, so I'm going to go ahead and 0 pair out. B is equal to 8. So now I'm going to write my equation, y equals mx plus b. My 8 is going to go in for my b. My negative 1/2 is going to go in for my m. Y is equal to negative 1/2 x plus 8. I'm going to do a quick check here. I'm going to look at the first equation that I was given, which is y is equal to 2x plus 1. And I'm going to look at my equation of y is equal to 1/2 negative 1/2 x plus 8. Now, the only thing I'm looking at are my slopes, and I'm making sure that they are negative reciprocals. And of course, I'm going to use my shortcut of saying this is 2 over 1. I flipped it to 1 over 2. This is positive, and I flipped it to a negative. And now you have practiced with slope-intercept form.